Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Outlook is fully closed. Check Task Manager and End Outlook. EXE if present. Next, open Account Settings and find the Data Files tab so you know the exact PSD or OST path. Once done, copy that file to a backup location. Do not skip this, because you'll restore if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have admin rights on the PC and note the file path. This prepares you to safely repair without guessing where the file lives. You'll now repair and resolve access issues. First, run Scampst. EXE against the PSD file and follow prompts to repair errors. This fixes header and index corruption. If the file is locked, check file permissions, grant your Windows user full control on the file and parent folder, then retry. For OSD files, rename the OSD to old so Outlook creates a fresh copy on launch. This solves sync-related access failures. Make sure antivirus isn't actively scanning the file while you perform these steps. You finish by restarting Outlook and allowing it to resync or rebuild the mailbox. Watch the send/receive progress until complete. If errors continue, create a new mail profile via Mail in Control Panel and add your account. Then import the repaired PSD or point to the new OSD. Make sure to verify Mail, Calendar, and Contacts. If there's still trouble, launch Outlook in safe mode and disable add-ins to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.